to another video. My name is Jasmine and we are installing another unit today, and yeah, you guessed it, it's from LUVME hair. Duh. This unit is a 1B unit, but it has these like bronzy colored highlights in it, and I'll have all the wig deets in the description box down below for y'all, along with links and a discount code if you guys do want to save some money. Check down there as well. As we can see, it is a 5x5 unit. We have the elastic band, the lace, chef's kiss is see-through. We love that for affordable units. And yeah, I just went ahead and threw it on my head. The wig does come curled like this already, but I do want to preface that I did bleach the knot slightly, pluck it slightly, and I did recurl it, so yours will come similar to these curls straight out the box, just so you know. So we're going ahead and pinning the hair back, and I just want to show you guys like the hairline. It's nice and clean but still super natural looking, which we love. And I'm gonna take some mini scissors along with an eyebrow razor, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut that lace. After I'm finished cutting the lace, I like to use bronzer and just apply that on any lace that is still there around the hairline, just so it blends naturally with my makeup. Yeah, I just feel like this is like just a random touch I like to do personally. So after we did that, I just took down the clip and we started running the fingers through the hair. And like I said, I did pre-curl this wig, so I was like trying to figure out if I like the curls with this length or not, or if it was like giving like Goldilocks. So I was like really trying to like vibe it out. So until y'all will see in a little bit what I do to it, I'm just gonna take a wax stick and just slick down the top of the head so it looks super duper natural. And then, like I said, I felt like it was giving Goldilocks, so I just took the hot comb and started like combing it through the curls that I already did to just loosen them up a little bit, give them more of like a body wave texture rather than like ringlet curls, you know what I mean? And I actually really liked how it ended up looking. Like, I will show you guys the side-by-side comparison like in just a second. I'll look over. I promise you. It's coming any second. And y'all will see the difference. And I feel like it is look at that. Body wave on one side, super tight curls on the other. I feel like that's so much cuter. So I just am going to go ahead and do that to both sides of my head. And after I did that, y'all, the wig was complete. Tell me this wig doesn't eat. It's so cute. The color is gorgeous. And then you already know the body of these wigs. All of my units have such good quality of hair. My fingers just literally slide right through it. No knots, no tangles, no shedding, which we love. And then it's super shiny, feels super nice on the fingers. And of course, I had to give you guys just a back shot with this hair so that you guys can see it all throughout. Fingers sliding through, body is bodying. yeah, this is a real cute unit, I must say so myself. Don't forget, if you guys are interested, I will put all links to the wig and everything in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.